picnic tables that are 6 foot long. I've put together 26 of these, so I've gotten pretty good system down. Little tricks and things that I've learned. A knife, you're gonna want a knife, you're gonna want a 10 millimeter socket, and if you have a power wrench, works great, makes things quicker. If you have a platform that's waist high, so you don't have to bend over, that's always nice. Always use your cardboard as padding. Build it on the cardboard or on a platform so you're not scraping against the concrete and scratching your table. Flip this over, lay her flat. Get rid of all the cardboard. Styrofoam. Take your legs, put them aside. Set them on this platform for now. Don't forget about these little hooks that hook the leg. You're gonna want those. I always take them and set them here so I don't forget about them. I was making the mistake in taking both. Only one side needs to come off. The larger one goes towards the end. See how there's a smaller and a larger? Make sure the curve is facing up. Put it in the side that's still secure. Don't forget about your hook. Make sure that's pointing the other direction, towards the other leg. Then you can lift this, slide this in. That one's done. Go to the next. Same process. The curve goes up. The big goes towards the edge. Put the first piece in the secure side. Don't forget your little hook. And once you get that in, push it down. And that's that. Make sure these are in. Insert your screws. Lift these up. All right, you're ready for your legs now. Make sure your nipples are pointing out. Done. Next one. Nipples pointing out. What I do is I use this cardboard so I'm not scratching anything. Lift them both up over here. Screws on both sides here, you can see. Take only one side off. This is the part where I struggled with the most when I started. I'll show you the little trick that I learned. What I'm gonna do, take this piece out, hook it right in there, line it up with these holes. And then always do the inside. Put the part that's secured to the bench, hook that to the inside always. In my opinion, that's what's worked good for me. Line it up. It's a little tricky, but this is so much easier than what I've found doing it the other way. Once you get that slid in, you just push this up. Now there's a little groove where if you push this piece down, if you don't got no cardboard in it, it should hold itself up without any screws. Now, not every time. Some of them don't hold it up, but when you screw it in, make sure you push this down and hold it tight so it's all the way seated. Just like that. That's all finished, done. Make sure you get all of them screws back in tight. That's one side, and then you just repeat that. Secure side's on the inside, loose side on the outside. Put the loose this side on first. Nope. Yeah, see, this one's not gonna hold. Then we just put a screw just slightly on each corner. Usually the corner screws will line up with the holes. All right, so that's it. Then I'll show you how these fold up. Slide it. When you want to take it down, push these two nipples. One side, go to the other side. Nipples, just like that. Lift up, slide. Your latches, push those in. And you always grab this little hook. Hook it. Make sure the legs won't fall out on you when you're transporting them. Just like that. These are slick tables. And they fold up really nice and thin. Quick to put together. That's all.